Hi there, this is Prasanna and welcome back to Shikuya Let's Upskill. In this first ever video from the series Build Resume with Prasanna, I'm going to decipher the most important keyword used by all ranges of age group, gender and geography. Resume is a French word which means summary, and this was first introduced by the great Leonardo da Vinci in 1482. Since then, this is evolving continuously till date. Resume has morphed over the last 500 centuries, and this is a very interesting evolution. Resume might have changed its form, format and appearance over this period of time, but its significance has drastically increased in hiring, admissions and many other professional purposes. So, what is it? A resume is a document that represents your credentials, skills, achievement and most importantly education background. Resume is a kind of marketing profile for yourself. This is the best way to step out and reach your prospective employers. Irrespective of your career stage, resume is the key element to highlight yourself to your employers. In the early stage, it makes sure that you are getting the right platform for your launch. In the middle stage, it brings you growth and prosperity. And in the later stage, it delivers authority and expert positions for you. It is as significant for you as a casting profile for an actor or a musical album for a singer. So let's try to understand what are the types of resume. Based on the content that you're going to include in the resume and the purpose for which you are going to use the resume, there are few types of resumes. First, functional. Second, chronological. Third is a combination of both of them. Next is targeted resume, and finally infographic resume. So I'm going to tell you which is the best suitable type of resume for you and how to build that resume in the upcoming series. Now let's try to understand how am I going to help you in this entire journey of writing the resume. After helping more than 35,000 freshers and 1234 experts, we have decided to reach you and assist you in unfolding the art of building the resume. We believe writing a resume is a science which requires commitment, consciousness and coherence. So if you are looking for a job as a fresher, or if you are looking forward to going up in the career ladder and growing up as a professional, stay tuned with me on every Saturday at 7 in the evening. I am bringing the most critical art of writing resume with its science for magical results. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such updates.